Hello and welcome back to Conjuring Rock, where we enjoy all-season camping and fishing. Today is part 10 of the Frontenac Challenge, and I am here with Justin and Ben. So we have 2 adults and 1 child.
That's not funny.
We are going camping on Kingsford Lake at Site 11, and we're searching for some open water, trying to catch some fish. Let's see if we can just get our lure into water.
I'll pull a slide.
Oh, okay.
I'll pull it.
Thanks, Super Chief.
No problem.
Good job.
We need wheels.
What a beautiful day. Yeah. It's the end of November right now, so it should be a little bit colder than what it actually is. It's wonderful.
Can you show them how fast I can go?
Yeah, let's see how fast you can go. He's so fast.
Oh, he's gonna get you.
All right, we just got to camp. We're gonna set up a couple tents and set up a stove, heat up some food, and then go fishing because we have some open water. It is freezing, but there is some open water.
It's fishable.
Ben's gonna go and test the waters now.
Some open water here. Looks like a bit of a drop off. No bites on the spoon. That is a nice tube. That is actually a tube. Get real close to me. I just want everyone to see this. Yeah. The nice beard. Did someone knit that or?
I'm gonna go catch a fish. Yeah?
Okay, Benny C here is gonna take off. He's got some dogs to take care of, and he didn't plan on staying the night anyways. Just came out for the day.
Yeah, I had a great time though. Thanks.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it.
Great time.
Again, for sure.
Yeah, I guess I didn't put
Okay, we'll do your segment on the camera here. What you forgot is correct.
Oh yeah, I guess so. Thanks for reminding me, Justin. So, on today's trip, we forgot Tom's. Oh, look how stringy it is. Happy eating, man. Cheers. Good morning. So we're going to be making some oatmeal and some instant coffee just to keep it nice and simple. So we're using the water filter so that we don't have to bring the water to a rolling boil for like 5 minutes. So yeah, just cutting some corners. Well, there are a few things out there that warm your soul quite like oatmeal in the morning. Nice hot pot of oatmeal. Well, we're gonna pack up now, and apparently there's a lookout not too far from us, so we're gonna go check that out once we get packed up. And yeah, so stick around. We got a down tree. So we think that was the lookout. We found the path. So this is the lookout. Ish, yeah. Although if these trees were full of leaves, that's all we would be looking at. Normally when you see wood chips like this, you think it's going to be a beaver, but you're not always right. Check out the damage that this woodpecker has caused. That's from a bird. Pretty cool, eh? It's beautiful. It's so warm. I don't know how you're wearing that coat.
Okay.
I'm gonna strip mine off.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm sweating good. That's better. All right, we had a pretty good time. Oh, the sun's blinding me. Hope you had as much fun watching it as we did filming it. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you slam that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you care to do so. If you click right here, you can see last month's Frontenac challenge, and if you click right there, you can see the whole playlist of the entire trip of this year. Anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you later.